On September 30, over 100 local government officials and supporters of Vice President Jejomar Binay took their oath as members of the opposition party. In a speech, Binay assured them he will win in the 2016 elections, despite ranking only second in the latest pre-elections presidential surveys.
Huwag kayong mag-aalala, pag kayo maniniwala sa survey, palagi ko pare-pareho tayong naguguluhan na sa survey.
Even if he slid to number 2, Binay says his core group of supporters, composed of about 30% of total voters, remain intact.
Magtiwala ho kayo sa takbo ng ating pag-ikot. Kung magda-numbers game lang ho tayo, sasabihin ko sa inyo, panalo ho tayong sigurado.
Binay then started counting his votes. He believes he has the votes of his fellow Ibanags and Ilocanos in northern Luzon, as well as province mates in Batangas. With the support of his political allies, Binay believes he will also win in Pangasinan, Quezon, Northern Samar, and Cavite. Binay adds that if Davao City Mayor Rodrigo Duterte doesn't run for president, he will get more votes in Mindanao.
Sa Mindanao, sa malamang hindi magkakandidato si Mayor Duterte. Naniniwala ako doon.
Binay also criticized the Liberal Party for threatening local government officials with legal cases or luring them with million-peso projects to jump ship.
Ang pangako sa mga mayor, mga 50 million project. Sa congressman, 1 billion project. Sa governor, mga 4 na project na aabutin din ng 1 billion. So, ganun karami ho ang paglustay ng pera ng bayan.
But he says, no amount of money can entice the Waray to vote for Rojas.
Yung sa mga Waray, kahit na magpabali-balintong doon si Mar, kahit na pera-pera pa, hindi siya mananalo sa Waray dahil doon sa kapalpakan niya sa Yolanda. Tsaka maraming kabastusan talaga. Dahil yan ang hinamak nila yung mga Waray.
The LP leadership denies Binay's allegations.
That I can say is a big lie. Yan ang malaking lie. Akong number 1 father confessor dun sa house. So I should know if anybody feels na he is threatened or going to be rewarded or no.
The Vice President says Una will announce his running mate soon. Today, September 30, is the internal deadline of Una's selection committee to choose. Joyce Ila, CNN Philippines.